Hi there, Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. Do you want to get paid $1,596, which includes $120 per month residual income? One of the products, if you get 6 people, you'll get $600 from this product here. From this product here, another marketing tool, you'll get $36. These products here, you get 6 people, you'll get $840. An $840 check, you'll get $36 for this, which is about 85% commission for that product. You'll get paid $600 from this video training series. It's a bunch of modules. You'll also get $120 a month from the tool that connects everything together. It's a tool to connect it all together. $1,596. That's if you only get 6 people, 6 customers, 6 referrals, 6 sales. 840 plus 36 plus 600 plus 120, it equals $1,596. $1,596. Residual income and instant pay commissions. $120 residually every single month. That's only with 6 people. You keep doing that every single month, get 6 people every single month, and your residual income is going to go up every single month. You're going to get paid automatically. Your first goal is to get 6 people so you can get that $840 check. The other ones will pay you even if you get 1 sale in these 3 products. Hi there, my name is Michael Jensen. I am the team leader for Daily Cash Team. We connected 2 businesses so that you can get instant pay commissions and residual income every single month. This first product and company has 4 packages, 4 product packages, and it cost $325 to buy the 4 packages. That is what everybody on the team is doing. $325 only one time. Only one time. You don't have to pay that every month. Once you're in, you're in. Then you just promote, you advertise, and then you will get $840 checks when other people do the same thing. When they come in for $325, they buy all 4 product packages, you will get an $840 check when you have qualified. What is qualified? You get 6 people. Get 6 people to buy the products, all 4 products for $325, you will get paid $840. And you do this over and over and over again. It's only a one-time pay. You don't have to pay monthly at all for this company, this opportunity. This one here, if you get 6 people, you're going to get $36. What does it cost to start with that product? Only a one-time $7. No monthly fee. So you pay only $7. It's going to help you to build your list, to generate leads. It's a tool. It's a marketing tool. It's an advertising tool. It's something everybody needs. You pay $7 one time. Once you get 6 people, because you're going to get paid $6 for every $7, you're going to get $36. Because the goal is to get 6 people for all these products, all these different options. So $6 times 6 is $36. It only costs you $7 one time. So you got $325 plus $7 for the other tool. And then this one pays for 6 people. You'll get $600. You get $100 a pop. You get $100 every time you sell one. What does it cost? A one-time payment of $147. It's a training series to help you build a massive organization, a massive team. These videos will help you to help your team and to advertise and to teach them how to advertise and get free advertising, or they can, it's going to help you to build your team. It's going to teach you how to advertise in many, many different platforms, online and offline. Internet or magazines or whatever you want to use. So it costs you a one-time, only one-time purchase. Excuse me. It's going to pay you $100 every time, every customer, every referral. So you get 6 of them, that's $600. What did it cost you to get that training module of all the training videos? $147 one time. One-time purchase. Right here, one-time purchase. No monthly fee for that one. No monthly fee for this one. No monthly fee for this one. $325, $7, $147. Once you have these, you have them. Then all you got to do is concentrate on promoting and advertising, and we teach you how to do that too. You can use direct mail or internet, social media, whatever you want to use. You just got to reach a lot of people, and that's what we show you and teach you how to do. So you'll get $600 because $100 times 6 is $600, and it costs $147. Sneeze, excuse me. So this one pays you $20 per person of residual income every month. 20 times 6 is $120. $120 a month you're going to get if you set things up the way that we are. If you copy and duplicate what we're doing, $20 times 6 is $120 per month. That's only if you get 6 people. What does that cost you? This one is the only one that does have a monthly fee to be an affiliate per month. Excuse me. $54 per month. Continue to pay that, and you're going to get $20 from every other referral. So in other words, my sponsor is getting $20 out of my $54 every single month. And it's the thing, it's the product, it's the platform that connects all these together. You have to have this. I have to have it. I've been using it for, I think, 8 years. 7 or 8 years, maybe longer. And I would use it and tell people about it and recommend it, even if they didn't pay me an affiliate commission. But they do have an affiliate program, so I might as well get paid for it. $20 a month from every referral. And people are coming in, they're spending the $325, they're spending the $7, they're spending the $147 one time for all 3 of those. One time $325, one time $7, and a one time $147, and then they're paying the $54 a month. I'm getting $20 for every single month from my